There are so many variables in running a university. Admissions, handling tuition payments, room and board, managing recreational facilities, dealing with packaging, move-in, move-outs, having a strong security team in place, and aligning faculty and curriculum to your school's goals. In this video, we're going to explain how Booking Ninja's property management software offers the best features to achieve optimal organization to better manage your student housing and university as a whole. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, as well as check out our blog over on bookingninjas.com to keep up to date with the current news and topics in the world of hospitality and property management. Also, check out our series on Salesforce and how the digital solution company can help grow your property management business. One of the reasons we are the best property management software for student housing is our devotion to offering the most advanced technology on the market. Our cloud-based PMS is equipped with the best Salesforce gadgets to help make customer interactions seamless and efficient, as well as enhance your online presence. Einstein Artificial Intelligence will make a huge difference in your school's recruiting process. When you first implement Booking Ninjas to your property, you give the software all your data from previous school years. Then our PMS does the rest of the work for you, instantly analyzing the data and providing you with the most valuable data for your college. This feature will enable you to view prospective students' preferences before they ever step foot on campus. It will also allow you to see what marketing method is most effective for your university, so you can focus your time and resources on making that particular campaign as strong as possible. This leads into another benefit of the Booking Ninjas app: online visibility. Today's incoming college students have grown up with technology at their fingertips. Most students decide where to apply to school from social media. Because of this, many universities are putting a more concentrated effort into upping their social media game to attract prospective students. Our PMS will help your school make a larger digital impact. How? Our booking engine can be fully integrated into a number of apps and websites to make booking dorm reservations simple and instant. You can attach your school's website to third-party sites that students use often, such as collegeboard.org, to increase the visibility and awareness of your program. One of our core values is innovation, constantly making improvements to our Salesforce PMS to keep our clients ahead of the curve and enable them to adapt to the fourth industrial revolution. Another premier feature of our student housing PMS is an all-in-one availability grid, which combines different kinds of bookings into a singular mobile system. Book dorms, meetings, and campus events all from one compact system. Speaking of events, we know college events are some of the most crashed events party spoilers like to attend. To keep campus events under control, we offer an event ticketing system that creates custom barcoded tickets that only event attendees can redeem for admission to a school event. Our e-sign capabilities are the best you can find for your cloud-based PMS, allowing you to easily customize templates for admission letters and other university documents. We are the only cloud-based student housing PMS that can digitally transform your property management business to the fourth industrial revolution and make your college more appealing to Gen Z. By converting your data to our PMS, your university will be ahead of the curve technologically with constant software updates designed to give your university the latest and most advanced technology available on the market at the time. There are countless benefits to implementing our property management software to your college, which you can find in our Feature Spotlights page linked down below. For more information on our student housing PMS, we've posted a link to our dorm management page beneath the video in the description box. Stay tuned for more videos on the Booking Ninjas platform in the future. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you know someone who manages a property, there are links in the description box to learn more about our property management system, as well as the option to try out a demo version of our software. Of course, there are plenty of other great PMS features that you can learn about at bookingninjas.com. Until next time, have a lovely day.